Hi! Welcome to my channel. At kung bago ka lang dito ay huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin lang ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong math tutorial videos.
In this video, you will learn how to divide simple fractions and mixed numbers. Pero bago yan, alamin muna natin ang reciprocal. If the product of two numbers is 1, then they are reciprocals or multiplicative inverse of each other. To find the reciprocal of a fraction, interchange the numerator and the denominator. Example, 2 over 5. So, interchange the numerator and the denominator. So, magiging 5 over 2. Another, 5 over 7, magiging 7 over 5. Then 6 is equal to 1 over 6. Okay, now let's proceed class dun sa ating division of fraction. Example number 1, 3 over 7 divided by 3 over 5. So step 1, get the reciprocal of divisor. 3 over 5, so magiging 5 over 3. Next step, change the operation from division to multiplication. So, yung division class, gagawin lang nating multiplication. Step 3, multiply the numerator and denominator. So, multiply lang natin class yung numerators and denominators. 3 times 5 and 7 times 3 is equal to 15 over 21. Then, step number 4, simplify. Kukunin lang natin class yung lowest term ng 15 over 21. So, i-divide lang natin yung numerator and denominator sa kanilang greatest common factor. So, ang greatest common factor class ng 15 and 21 is 3. So, 15 divided by 3 and 21 divided by 3 is equal to 5 over 7. Okay, next example. 1/2 divided by 2 over 5. So, gamitan naman natin class ng KCF method or keep, change, flip. So, keep the first fraction, ibig sabihin, wala tayong babaguhin doon sa ating first fraction. Change the operation. So, from division, gagawin naman natin itong multiplication. Then, flip the second fraction. So, babalik ta rin natin class yung ating second fraction, kaya magiging 5 over 2. Then, next, multiply the numerator and denominator. So, 1 times 5 and 2 times 2 is equal to 5 over 4. Then, last step, convert improper fractions to mixed number. So, our final answer class is 1 and 1/4. Next, example number 3. Division ng whole number and fraction. So, step number 1, get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, yung divisor natin class na 1 over 3, kukunin natin yung reciprocal. So, ang reciprocal po ng 1 over 3 is 3 over 1. Then next, express the whole number as a fraction. So, yung whole number natin class, lalagyan lang natin ng denominator na 1. So, magiging 5 over 1. Then next step, change the operation from division to multiplication. So, yung division natin, gagawin lang nating multiplication. Then, pwede na natin class i-multiply yung numerator and denominator. So, 5 times 3 and 1 times 1 is equal to 15 over 1 or 15. Okay, example number 4. Division ng whole number and mixed fraction. So, step number 1, convert mixed number to improper fractions. So, para ma-convert natin class itong ating mixed number sa improper fraction, kailangan lang nating i-multiply yung denominator dun sa kanyang whole number. So, multiply natin. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Then, yung product naman class, i-add natin dun sa kanyang numerator. Kaya magkakaroon class ng 10 plus 1 over 5. And 10 plus 1 over 5 is 11 over 5. Okay, next, express the whole number as a fraction. So, katulad nung ginawa natin kanina, lalagyan lang natin class ng denominator na 1. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng 16 over 1. Then, reciprocal. Next, kukunin natin class yung reciprocal ng ating second fraction. So, yung reciprocal ng 11 over 5 is 5 over 11. Then, change the operation. So, from division, gagawin natin multiplication. After that, multiply the numerator and denominator. 16 times 5 and 1 times 11 is equal to 80 over 11. Then, last step, convert improper fractions to mixed number. So, yung mixed number class ng 80 over 11 is 7 and 3 over 11. And this is our final answer. At para naman sa ating last example, division ng dalawang mixed numbers. Step number 1, convert mixed number to improper fractions. So, i-convert muna natin class yung ating dalawang mixed numbers to improper fractions. So, unahin na natin class yung first mixed numbers. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then, add natin yung product sa numerator. Magiging 4 plus 1 over 2. Next, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Then, 8 plus 3 over 4. Tapos, simplify natin. Magiging 5 over 2 divided by 11 over 4. Then, second step, keep the first fraction. So, ibig sabihin class, hindi natin babaguhin yung ating first fraction. 5 over 2 pa rin. Next, change the operation. So, from division, gagawin natin multiplication. Then, flip the second fraction. Babaliktarin lang natin. Magiging 4 over 11. Then, multiply and simplify. So, 5 times 4 and 2 times 11 is equal to 20 over 22. Pagkatapos, i-divide lang natin yung numerator and denominator sa kanilang greatest common factor. So, 20 divided by 2 and 22 divided by 2 is equal to 10 over 11. And 10 over 11 is our final answer. So, hanggang dito na lang class. Kung meron po kayong katanungan, ilagay lang sa ating comment section. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video na ito, huwag pong makalimutang mag-like, subscribe, and share. Muli, maraming salamat sa panonood. God bless.